There are different families: extended, nuclear, immediate, separated, and a single-parent family. Also, families have different cultural traditions and customs. Let's see the lifestyle of families in some countries.
My name is Sasha. I'm from Russia. My parents are separated, so I live with my mom. My brother is married to a wonderful woman. They have a small son. I love my nephew very much. My name is Ben. I'm from England. I'm an only child and I live with my parents. My family is large. I've got 2 brothers and 2 sisters. My elder sister didn't get on well with her husband. When she divorced from her husband, she and her daughter moved to us. It is difficult for her to be a single parent, so we all try to help her.